That guy has the right idea on his bib. Now all we got to do is get him a ball. Lovell at Burlington, number 1 2A at number 1 1A. First quarter. Lovell wearing the blue. Karen Koritnik standing in the right place in the right time as the rebound is deflected to her. Lady Bulldogs score first and lead 2-0. She didn't always have to be under the hoop. She could put up a jumper as well and make it look pretty. Visitors up 4-zip. You'll see in this game that Lovell got a lot of second chances and took advantage of them. Elisa Geiser can't finish on the fast break, but she's going to get her own rebound and decides to take it outside instead. Not quite far enough for 3, but 2 points will do for now. Lady Bulldogs up 6-1. Here's an example of that teamwork I was mentioning earlier. Geiser finds Leanne Winterholler, and she'll lay it up and in. Lovell now up 8-1. Second chance points. It's all about being there when your teammate misses. Koritnik, no. Susie Shumway, yes. The visitors led 10-2 after the first 8 minutes. Second quarter, Burlington had yet to make a field goal. Both of their points came from the charity stripe. Lindsay Wardall ends the scoring drought with a kiss off the glass, but the Lady Huskies had a lot of work to do. Down 10-4, good buddy. The Lady Bulldogs would find ways to get the ball inside. Here's Aaron Robertson proving my point. The scoreboard is doubled up at 12-6. They didn't always need a second chance. Sometimes the first try worked just as well. Koritnik adds 2 more to her point total. She finished the game in double digits. It's 14-6. Lovell was off to the races in this game, and it's only the opening weekend of the season. Koritnik again caps off an 8-zip run, and the top-ranked team in 2A is up 18-6. Then Burlington remembered that they are the 2-time defending 1A state champions. Wardall buries the 3. She's only one of 2 seniors on this year's team. Lady Huskies still trail 18-11. But Lovell's on a quest to win the 2A title this season. It's been 10 years. Jody Walker's hoping to walk them down the right path, and she puts her team back up 20-11. Time for a little defense, transition, and knowing where you are on the floor. Winterholler with the steal, manages to stay in bounds, then gets the finish. That's determination. It's 22-11. I said Burlington had only 2 seniors. Here's the other. Jessie Flores with the offensive board and putback. Lady Huskies needed to mush some more. Down 22-13. Just before the half, Lovell trying to get one more bucket in. Shumway is open behind the defense, and she will get that bucket. Lady Bulldogs go into the locker room, up 24-13. Third quarter, the visitors would pick up where they left off. Koritnik finishes the fast break. She led all scores in this game with 15. Her team is up 26-15. Burlington needed some points in any way possible. Jessica Stanworth's going to can the jumper off the inbounds. That got the deficit down to 9, 26-17. Lovell wouldn't lay down. Here's another second chance opportunity. Koritnik was just all over the place. 28-17 at this point. The Lady Huskies would put a little bit of a run together. Sadie Neves goes around the roadblock and scores her only 2 points, and the deficit is back down to 9. Then it's Wardall on defense, picks off that pass and takes off the other way for 2. She scored in double digits. Burlington only down 7, but that was as close as they get. They had to hang on to the ball, and in this case, they didn't. Koritnik swipes it right under the hoop, and there's an easy bucket. Lovell was up 34-25 heading into the final 8 minutes. Fourth quarter, Lovell would just take the ball and bury it. Geiser for 3, caps off an 11-zip run, and Lady Bulldogs cap off a 3-0 weekend, winning 50-38.